Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Today we learn index laws step by step for clear, reliable exponent handling. Start with the product rule. When multiplying like bases, add the powers. For division, use the quotient rule. Subtract the exponents of like bases. The power rule multiplies exponents when raising a power to another power. Zero exponent gives 1 for any non-zero base, so x0 equals 1. Negative exponents indicate reciprocals. Xn becomes 1 over xn for positive n. We will practice with numeric and algebraic examples to build confidence. Next, learn fractional and rational exponents and how they represent roots. An exponent of 1/2 means square root x, 1/2 equals sqrt x. Use the power of a product. Ab n equals a n times bn for any n. Similarly, a /b n equals a n over bn when b is non-zero. Combine fractional exponents by converting roots to rational powers before simplifying. For example, 27 2/3 equals 9 because cube root of 27 is 3 and squared is 9. Practice several numerical examples to see rules work consistently every time. Finally, learn simplification strategies and common exponent pitfalls to avoid mistakes. Always simplify powers inside parentheses before applying product or power rules. Watch negative bases. -2, 2 equals 4, but -2, 2 equals -4 by order rules. Keep exponents as integers or rationals. Avoid decimal exponents when possible. Check answers by converting expressions to prime base factors or numeric evaluation. Practice mixed problems that include product, quotient, power, zero, and negative rules. Consistent practice for 15 minutes daily builds accuracy and speed with exponents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.